Flagstaff Overland 2025. This is the Lion Energy booth. We're the only brand that ranges from portable power, so for backpacking adventures, rafting, all the things we love to do, away from base camp, you're covered. Moving up, at base camp, if you wanted to run some luxuries, like maybe a portable cooler, Traeger grill, this is our 500 watt Summit unit. What sets it apart is the rugged build. Rubber corners keep it from bouncing around in a truck. It's that simple and low key to set up. If you pair that with one of our 100 watt solar panels, you have a renewable power source to run those powered coolers, to run basic camp. Going over to the larger unit, that's our Safari, it's our flagship power unit. Now there's nothing in your home, cabin, or RV that this can't power. It's the most compact system that still provides a 30 amp service, pure sine wave. The module that you can attach on the top boosts the battery storage to 4,300 watt hours. That should run a residential fridge for close to 50 hours without recharging. This thing can handle up to 600 watts of solar like this. If you're continually powering this with solar, you're off the grid energy. They work great in Arizona, but these type of panels are monocrystalline, so even in the Pacific Northwest, you're getting an adequate charge to keep up with your essential devices. The last step of the power, we also do commercial, industrial, and residential batteries. In the back of our trailer, that's something that you might want to attach to your house to peak shave with expensive power rates. Even though you have rooftop solar at a home, without battery storage, you're still tied to the grid. So this is the UT 3500, 280 amp hour battery. The design makes it a lot simpler to run bus bars between banks. 280 amp hours of storage if you're trying to achieve a bigger bank with smaller space. This has more storage power than putting a bunch of 100 amp hour batteries together. Built-in heater for our customers in Alaska and Montana. We've only brought 4 for the show, amazing show price here. Competing with the big names. I always stress this, Lion Energy is big in sales, but we still answer the phone like it's a mom and pop company based out of American Fork, Utah, right off of I-15. If you're driving through Utah, get off the exit and come say hi to us. Lion Energy.